Here's how you can remove the Microsoft Teams calls from the iPhone call log. So let me explain and show you quickly how it works. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you essentially get inside your Teams app and you want to find the settings page. So you have to at first tap on your profile picture or icon in the top left corner, which will reveal the side panel, and then go to the settings, which should be immediately visible. From the settings option, find calling, which is indicated by the little phone icon. And there isn't really much other than literally the first toggle is the show Teams calls in a call log. So when you turn it off, you can read the little description there. The calls and meetings will stop being added to your recents list. That means that your phone app will not going to be cluttered by the Teams and that meetings right there. So if you prefer that option, just turn it off and that's going to be fine. If you already have some of them, some of the recents added to the call log, you can always just swipe left on it and remove it from the list, but it's not going to happen anymore because we just turned it off. Let me know in the comments below if that was the thing that you were looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I hope to see you later in the next videos, which are going to be hopefully speedy and straight to the point like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.